Hi, my awesome little artist. Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today we're going to have so much fun with an exciting drawing. We're going to draw a funny and cute pumpkin. So grab your colored pencil. For this drawing, you'll need yellow, orange, green, black. Are you ready? Let's get started.
3, 2, 1!
Today's drawing is super easy, so don't worry at all. You can totally do it. Just stay with me till the end, and we'll make something amazing together. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have fun and keep smiling while you draw. I know you're gonna do an awesome job. Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for being with us. With likes and subscribes, happiness grows even more. With one like and subscribe, become part of our colorful world. Thanks for being with us. Give us energy with your likes and subscribes.
Wow!